Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn on how you can turn off Snapchat notifications. Since Snapchat is a large platform, so it likes to send you many notifications often. So some users of it tends to find this annoying. So in today's video I will be showing you how it's done. How to turn off these notifications and never have them sent to you again. The steps are simple. Let's start by opening setting. And now that settings are open, you can see that we have so many tools to work with. So to turn off your notifications, simply click on Notifications. And now that notifications are open, you can see that we have so many applications that are installed in my phone. So slide down and find Snapchat. And open it. And now that it's open, you can see all these tools we can work with, because as you can see there's so many types of notifications, such as those from banner, lock screen and notifications. So to completely turn off all the WhatsApp notifications, simply click on this top button which says Allow Notifications. And so as you can see all the notifications are completely turned off, so no more Snapchat notifications. And if you check you can see that our notifications from earlier is gone. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.